Reclaiming your mind, deep work and real-world focus. Welcome back to Social Screen. In our last episode, we talked about breaking free from the social media trap. Today, we take it a step further. How do we regain deep focus, real-world engagement, and mental clarity? We'll explore the science behind deep work and why focus is the new superpower. Practical techniques to sharpen your concentration. How to build a distraction-free environment. How to train your brain for long-term focus in the digital age. 1. Why deep focus matters more than ever. The cost of constant distraction. Studies show the average attention span is now less than 8 seconds, shorter than a goldfish. Multitasking is a myth. Every time you switch tasks, your brain needs 20 minutes to regain full focus. Social media, notifications, and constant pings train your brain to crave instant dopamine instead of deep thinking. The result? Surface-level thinking replaces deep, meaningful work. The power of deep work. Deep work equals high-quality thinking in an undistracted state. It allows you to solve complex problems faster, master difficult skills, achieve peak creativity. Deep work is a superpower in the digital age. The cognitive switching penalty. Every time you check your phone, you lose mental energy. Example, imagine you're in deep thought, and suddenly, a notification pops up. Even if you ignore it, your brain still registers it and reduce these interruptions. 2. How to train your brain for deep focus. The focus sprint technique. Start with 25-minute focus blocks, Pomodoro method. No phone, no social media, no distractions. After 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this 3 to 4 times before taking a longer break. Over time, extend focus blocks to 50 minutes. The single tasking method. Stop multitasking, do one thing at a time. Example, instead of switching between apps, calls, and emails, set blocks of time for each task. Train your brain to focus on one deep task at a time. The digital declutter. Reduce visual clutter on your devices. Uninstall unnecessary apps. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Use tools like Focus Mode, Freedom App, or Cold Turkey Blocker to block distractions. 3. The distraction-free environment hack. Optimizing your physical space. Create a dedicated focus zone. Clear unnecessary items from your desk. Visual clutter leads to mental clutter. Use noise-canceling headphones or soft background music. Set a Do Not Disturb sign for family or colleagues. The phone-free work zone. Place your phone in another room or use Do Not Disturb mode. If you must use your phone, put it in grayscale mode, less stimulating. The social media delay rule. Before checking social media, wait 5 minutes. Most of the time, the urge will pass. This breaks the habit of mindless checking. 4. How to rebuild your attention span. The reading challenge. Train your focus by reading long-form content daily. Start with 10 minutes, then increase gradually. Books train your mind to think deeply instead of skimming. The Dopamine Detox. Social media overloads your brain with instant dopamine spikes. Do a 24-hour dopamine detox. No social media, no TV, no junk content. Instead, engage in slow, rewarding activities, writing, drawing, real conversations. This resets your brain's reward system. Practicing boredom, rewiring your brain. Learn to sit with boredom instead of reaching for your phone. Why? This strengthens your ability to focus on deep work. Example. While waiting in line, don't check your phone. Let your mind wander instead. This rewires your brain for creativity and deep thinking. Final thought, attention is your most valuable asset, guard it fiercely. Your mind was not designed for endless notifications and distractions. Call to action. Try the focus sprint technique today. Do a 24-hour dopamine detox. Create a phone-free workspace. Subscribe to Social Screen for more deep dives on regaining control of your attention and mind.